Bicol cuisine originated in the Bicol region of the Philippines, known for its love of spicy dishes and abundant use of coconut milk, or gata. Due to its fertile land and coastal location, Bicol has long relied on coconuts, chili peppers, root crops, and fresh seafood as the foundation of its cuisine. These ingredients reflect both the region's natural resources and its people's creativity in turning simple harvests into flavorful meals. Bicol Express, a pork dish simmered in coconut milk with plenty of chilies. It is believed to have been popularized in Manila during the 1970s by a Bicolano cook named after the train route, Bicol Express. The dish embodies the fiery and creamy flavors of Bicol. Kinuno, a dish made from flaked stingray or shark meat, cooked with coconut milk, malunggay leaves, and chili. It reflects the coastal lifestyle of Bicolanos who rely on the sea for food. Pancit Bato, a unique Bicol noodle dish made with locally produced bato noodles, usually stir-fried with vegetables, soy sauce, and meat or seafood. Dinuguan, a savory stew made from pork meat and blood and banana, seasoned with vinegar, garlic, and spices. In Bicol, it's often made spicier than other regions. Ginataang santol, a tangy dish of grated santol, cotton fruit, cooked in coconut milk with chili, blending sourness and creaminess. Pinangan is also known as laing, made from taro leaves stuffed with meat or shrimp, simmered with coconut milk and chili. Ginataang langka, young jackfruit cooked in rich coconut milk with chili and sometimes mixed with shrimp or pork. Cocido, a Bicol version of fish stew cooked with vegetables, tomatoes, ginger, and sometimes coconut milk for added flavors. Nilupang, a native delicacy made of mashed cassava or banana mixed with butter or margarine, sugar, and grated coconut. Sinapot, Bicol's version of fried banana fritters made from sliced sabag bananas coated in butter and deep fried. Puto bukayo, a rice cake topped with sweetened coconut strips, or bukayo, giving a soft and chewy treat. Silly ice cream, a famous Bicol dessert made with chili peppers blended into creamy ice cream, offering a mix of sweetness and heat. Puko or farm snails is an edible farm snails usually cooked in coconut milk with chili, classic Bicol specialty showcasing the love for gata and spices.
One unique dish is kinalas, a noodle soup native to Naga City, unlike other noodles dishes in the Philippines. Kinalas uses slow-cooked beef or pork to scrape from the bones, hence kinalas or to remove from the bone. Topped with rich sauce made it from the broth, it represents Bicol's adaptation of noodle culture with a distinct local taste. Kinalas is one of the Naga City's most beloved dishes and true Bicolano specialty. Its history is rooted in local tradition, simple ingredients, and the community's love for hearty meals. This practice started as a way to avoid waste. Instead of throwing away less meaty parts, locals would simmer them slowly until tender, then scrape off every bit of meat from the broth and noodles.